What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to do a real quick video here. I was doing some work actually on the R34 and one of my parts came in. I just kind of want to unbox it, show you guys what I got here.
What's in the box?
So yeah, like I said, I was getting some work done, some minor stuff done on the R34. Here it is after detailing it actually a few days ago and ceramic coating it. FedEx came by, dropped off a package. Just want to do a quick unboxing. So I already opened the box. And I didn't want to sit here ripping the box apart and stuff on camera, but I'm excited for it. It's nothing major, nothing huge, but it's a JDM part. And if you can read Japanese, then you already know what it is. So check it out, guys. Got my Nismo carbon inlet pipe. Actually came really fast. It came in like, I ordered it maybe like 4 days later it got here. It's light too. I'm excited for this. I won't be installing it on the car anytime soon. I'm gonna just put it away in the box and wait until I get upgrade the turbos and do all that stuff, because yeah, I think it's just fitting to just wait until that. No reason in taking apart everything, just put this on. It's kind of a bitch anyways with the turbo to, you know, remove this pipe because the nuts that go in the bottom. So yeah, but here it is. Comes with all the hardware, you know, the couplers, new gaskets, some new clamps here, as you can see. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick update here. You know, I was real excited for this part. I do have a lot more parts coming in. They'll be trickling in within the next, you know, few weeks, a few months. Some parts are pre-orders, some parts are made to order, and some of them should be shipping pretty soon here. So I'll have a lot of updates, new parts for both cars, and I'll let you guys know. I'll do a video on it, just kind of show you, and some of the parts will be installed right away, so we can, you know, show you how it looks before and after. Take it easy, guys. Also, quick note on this Nismo pipe. I was actually back and forth on it for a while because I wasn't sure, since I got the car, I wasn't sure if I was gonna go single turbo or stay twins. I made my decision a few weeks ago. I've never done twins, so I'm gonna go ahead and go for that. You know, everything's always been single turbo, and I think it's fitting to go twins on this car. I'll probably end up going with HKS 2530s eventually. So, and HKS stroker kit. So that's why I end up deciding, you know what, let's go for the pipe. Let's get it now. The yen is low. Let's do it. So thanks guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.